Question number 37, 2 marks question, GATE 2025, second set question. Subject is civil engineering, section is structural engineering, topic is steel structures, subtopic connections. Question 37 is a circular tube of thickness 10 mm and diameter 250 mm is welded to a flat plate using 5 mm fillet weld along the circumference. Assume FE410 is steel and soft welding. As per IS 800-2007, the torque that can be resisted by the weld in kilonewton meter is round off to 1 decimal place. So here actually the question is asking about torque. So let us understand the basic relationship between torque and the shear stress parameters and other parameters. So torque divided by polar moment of inertia J is equal to your shear stress divided by radius. So this is the basic relation. Now you need tau. So tau is equal to, or that is you need torsion here. So torsion is equal to your tau J divided by R. So this basic principle, basic relationship will use in this calculation, in this equation. So actually as per IS 456 2000, not as per IS 800 2007, your tau is equal to, let me just okay, let me just write here only. Your tau is equal to your Fy divided by root 3 gamma mw, which is nothing but 1.25. This is now root 3 and here is Fy. Okay, so Fy here in the question is 410. Fy is given. So your tau is given already. R value, what is R? R is nothing but, R is your diameter here in the question is given. So d by 2. R is also given. Now we need to calculate the J value. What is J? J is your polar moment of inertia. So which is your R square, which is your AR square or R square A, you can say. This is your polar moment of inertia. Now you can write for whole body AR square. Okay, so now what is A here? A is nothing but your A is pi A is your pi, your thickness into your diameter. So this is A and R you know already. So all things we know. Now how we'll calculate the T value? So here for calculation for the T, we need some concept of the fillet welding. So what fillet welding? Let me just very conceptually explain you. If you are weld two plate, let me just, this is your welding size, this is your welding size is S, this is S and this is S. Now I am drawing here in the bigger picture. So this is your S and S, this is your S, this is your S. Now you can calculate this one. And what is T? T is this value, T is this. So T very easily you can calculate. So what this length? This length is nothing but your S root 2. And what is half length? Half length is nothing but S by root 2. Half length is this. Now for calculation of T, so T is for, this is your 90 degree here, 90 degree is, so T is equal to, or S is equal to, S square is equal to T square plus S by root 2 whole square. Now from here you can calculate your T square. T square is s square minus s square by 2, so which is your s square by 2. Now T is equal to s by root 2, which is 0.707 s. So T is equal to 0.707 s. S is given in the question, your 5 mm. So now it is very easy. Now we can calculate. Everything in the question is given. So torque is equal to your let me just, your tau value, which was 410 divided by root 3 into 1.25. Now one term was j by r. J by r is nothing but your, this is represented by jp, j by r. So what is j? AR square and your r. So AR you can write. And what is AR? A is nothing but already here written pi dt. So we can write here. Let me write again. 410 divided by root 3 into 1.25 into AR. So what is A? A is your here pi d. So here you can write one thing. What is A? Pi into T into D. This is your area into D by 2. D by 2. This is not. So pi T D square by 2. So pi T is your, when you will calculate T, it will come 3.5 mm. Using this will come, S is given 5. So it is come 3.5 mm. Means 0.0035 meter. So we'll all things will put here in the meter because we need answer in kilonewton meter. Okay, so here 0 T is 0.0035 into your D value. D value is 250. D value in the question is given 250, so 0.25 divided by 0.25 square. In the question square is given, divided by 2. So now after the calculation you will get finally your T value. Let me just see here very clearly written. T is 410 divided by root 3 into 1.25 into now AR. A is nothing but your pi into T 0.0035 into D 0.25 square divided by 2. Divided by 2. So after calculation you will get 65.1 kilonewton meter. So this will be your final answer for this question. So here your option A is correct. For question number 37, your option A is correct. Now you can follow this NPTEL video. Here you can see the explanation is given, and other explanation also it is given. And what was your gamma MW? It was the partial factor of safety. Remember please. So now YouTube link also here I have provided, so you can just type this YouTube link in your Google Chrome. You will find exactly this video. So thank you for this question.